So here's my top 3 tips for beginner gardeners. Number 1, start small. If you don't have a garden yet, just don't overdo it. Don't start too big. Just pick your favorite 3 to 5 plants and do 1 or 2 beds and go with that for your first year and just see how that goes and get good with that. It can be overwhelming to try to do too many things at once, so just start small and work your way up throughout the years. Number 2 is to always keep your soil covered with mulch. So at all times your soil should never be bare. Always keep it covered with mulch, whether that's wood chips, shredded leaves, grass clippings, compost, etc. This will help suppress weeds, it will reduce watering, keep the moisture in, and it feeds your soil and it continues to break down and it's really composting in place. Number 3 is to start a compost pile. So start yourself a compost bin. There's different ways to make compost bins. If you look in my past videos, I show you my compost bins that were free and easy to make. But just start a compost bin, fill it up with anything that you can find, wood chips, shredded leaves, grass clippings again, all your fruit scraps, vegetable scraps, etc. Just fill it up, and then once a year you can take the finished compost out of that compost pile and spread it on top of your garden beds, and that's free fertilizer for life. So those are my top 3 gardening tips. Post in the comments if you would like to add any of your own useful tips for beginner gardeners.